In this video, I'm going to show you how you need to create a dual pie chart which show you the percentage for main category and also the percentage of subcategory. Of course, the chart I create using Sunburst chart, but in Sunburst chart, there is no built-in way to show percentage. But how I create this chart, I will show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have this data sheet on which I have category level 1, 2 and 3 along with the total data sheet. Of course, in this video, I will show you how to create a 2-level Sunburst chart in Microsoft Excel, and later I will show you how to create a 3-level chart as well. The first thing, I will click anywhere on this table, click on insert. We need to insert pivot table on a same worksheet, and for the location I will simply select G2 and hit OK. The next thing, I will simply move category level 1 on rows area. Again I will move category level 2 on rows area and simply bring total on a values area. The next thing, I will click on design. We need to off the subtotal. Again, we need to off the grand total. Click on report layout. In this case, I will select tabular form. Again, click on report layout and simply select repeat all item label. The next thing, we need to change sum of total and instead we will type percent of grand total. Now I will right click and here you can see show value as. We simply need to select percent of grand total. Now these percentage are related with category level 2. How to calculate percentage for category level 1? I will simply copy this whole pivot table, hit Ctrl C, click here Ctrl V. Simply remove the category level 2 and this is how we calculate category level 1 percentage. Now I will close this window and we need to create few helper column. The first thing, I will click on K2, simply type equal and only select category level 1 header. Next again I will type equal and simply select all of category level 1 column and percent. Simply type XLOOKUP function, open parenthesis. For the lookup value, I want to look up all of category level 1 values, hit comma. For the lookup array, I want to look up in my second pivot table, hit comma. And for the return array, I want these percentage. If not found, simply type null result, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now everything is okay. The only thing you can see, we have 44.90% and here you can see 0.4489 and a large value. So how to convert these into a percentage? I will click on Ectocell formula and we need to convert these XLOOKUP result into a text function. The best thing, I will simply select all of the XLOOKUP, hit Ctrl X. Now simply type text function, open parenthesis, what is the value, hit Ctrl V to paste the result, hit comma, and for the format quotation mark 0.0%, quotation mark again, and now simply close parenthesis for text function, hit enter. Now this is how we calculate the percentage. But one more thing we need to do in the formula. What I need to do, after the end percent, we need to insert a line break. So I will type character 10 function, close parenthesis, we need to type one more end percent, and this is how we insert a line break in our formula result, hit enter. And now if I click any of the cell in this array and simply select warp text, this is how you can see we have a text, we have a line break and we have a percentage. Now again I will select unwarp the text and we need to create a second helper column. For the second helper column, simply type equal, click on category level 2, again type equal and simply select the second column, hit enter. And for the third column, simply type equal and select all of the percent of grand total column, hit enter. I will select this value and simply change the format as a percentage with 1 decimal point. Now our calculation are ready. I will simply select all of my data sheet, click on insert. Here you can see recommended chart and I will click Sunburst chart and simply hit OK. For now I will hit Ctrl X, insert a new worksheet, Ctrl V and increase the size of this chart. now you can see we have a percentage for category level 1, but how to calculate the percentage for category level 2? Click on this plus button, click on data label, more data label options. Here you can see values. For the separator, simply select new lines. Now each and everything is okay. You can type whatever title you like. And this is how we create our nice Sunburst chart with percentage. Of course, you can do a little bit more formatting, that is up to you.